Happy Sunday, everybody. Y'all already know where I'm at. I'm out here in the great neighborhood of Creeksbend. We're gonna do another tour for you guys. Look at this house right here. This is what we call a 1624 floor plan. Check her out. So I'm gonna continue with a series of doing some tours to give y'all a better idea of some of the plans that we offer out here, and just show off some of the beautiful houses we have coming. Look at this view. Great lot right here, sitting up on top. So this plan, 1624 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths. Let me show you a little bit more. So we're walking into the garage here. We have the laundry room right here, washer and dryer, and a pantry leading us into the kitchen. Gonna be sink here, bar top right there. Very open living room leading into the master bedroom here. Huge master closet right there. Tray ceilings. Master bath. And we got 2 bedrooms up front and another full bathroom. Let's see. Right here. Now, I will tell you my favorite thing about this floor plan is this covered back porch. Check this thing out. Now this section right here comes standard from that line right there. That is a standard covered back porch. This wasn't an add-on right here. Additional back porch, covered back porch that Old South offers. Give you a little view of the back here. Now, go to gtthomes.com to get more information, more floor plans that we have to offer. I'll show you a few more in the upcoming Sundays. But hey, these things are going quick. So if y'all want more information, go to the website, or you can give me a call, 615-796-4153. Hope y'all have a great Sunday.